Hello, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today, we are unboxing the Nuke Performance Bosch injectors, rated at 870cc. These high-precision injectors are the result of a collaboration between Nuke Performance and Bosch, designed to deliver elite fuel atomization for high-performance engines. Let's get into the box and see what makes these injectors a top choice for tuners worldwide. As you can see, these injectors have already been professionally calibrated. They are flow matched to ensure they all operate at the exact same CC rating with zero leaks. This level of precision guarantees a perfectly balanced fuel delivery across all cylinders, giving you total peace of mind for your engine's safety. Inside the package, you will find 4 Bosch Motorsport injectors and a comprehensive accessory kit to ensure a perfect fit. It includes 4 14mm short adapters with integrated filters, and another 4 short adapters without filters, giving you flexibility for your specific setup. You also get 4 Bosch injector clips for a secure installation. Most importantly, the kit includes the official flow match certificate, providing the exact data and testing results for each individual injector in this set. With the adapters installed, each injector has a total length of 77mm. Measuring from O-ring to O-ring, the length is 65mm. The nozzle features an extended tip design, providing a 30-degree conical spray pattern. These specs are rated at a base pressure of 3 bar, or 43.5 psi at idle. Thank you for watching Racedom's unboxing video of the Nuke Performance Bosch injectors. We hope you enjoyed it and found the technical information helpful for your next project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more performance unboxings and technical deep dives. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one.